This is disgusting.
Oh my gosh.
They should have had anime plushies.
This place is freaking me out.
Judah, you did not like this room at all.
This room is so nasty.
Em, you're gonna hate this.
Rule 34 is yucky!
I hate this.
Why is there a cooker on the wheel too?
Please don't let
Please
him.
don't do Rule
With the
34.
Rule 34 logo on it. Judah, we need to leave this room.
Okay, Rich.